Hello, here is a quick crochet tip that you probably have seen before, but you have forgotten about. This is an awesome trick for turning your fine yarn into a more thicker, chunkier yarn. Let's see how it's done. So you will have your yarn, which you will put in 3. From here at the end, with all 3 strands, you will make a slip knot. I have here a 4.5 millimeter hook, and you're gonna keep all the others like this here while working like normal, and you will begin to chain. When your 3 strands reach the end, you just put your fingers through the loop and then pull on the working yarn, the main one, as far as you like. And then again, when you will work on top of this and you will not notice it, and then you still have a long yarn which is thicker, and then until you reach this bit. This is so much nicer, and for beginners who don't really have patience like I never used to have for finishing projects, working with something a bit chunkier definitely helps. So I've reached again this bit, put your fingers in and pull again. This is a really nice trick because you will always use the exact amount that you need. You will not waste any yarn, and you can use any type of yarn you have. It doesn't really matter. Even if you have some chunky one and you want to make it even chunkier, you can do that. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time. Bye bye.